What's up? This is Angel with N0. We are live here at DevOps Days DFW. Let's go inside and see what we have.
What's happening? It's Angel and K-Mac, and welcome to Arts and Crafts with N0. And the booth setup. That was the fastest, easiest booth setup I've ever done. What's happening in LinkedIn? We're here with Monica Miller.
Hello! Trino is this open source project. It's awesome. Lets you combine your data from multiple different sources. It's basically a query engine that gives you a single point of access. I'm here to tell people about the project. I want you to come contribute. It's awesome and it's a great community and we're so excited and we're just trying to spread the word about it.
Hey Monica, where can they find Trino?
Oh, go to GitHub, Trino.db, Trino.
Yeah, for secure, so.
I've never heard of GitLab before. What is it?
GitLab is personally the thing that I'm working on right now, browser-based DAST, so dynamic application security testing, but instead of doing it in a proxy, doing it through a browser. Something that no one else is doing right now, being able to scan single-page application, modern JavaScript frameworks, things like that for vulnerabilities.
Folks, that was Derek Ferguson from GitLab coming by to say hi. We still need takers for the N0 Infrastructure as Code Tacos Challenge. No biters yet. What's happening, K-Mac? We've got takers for the Infrastructure as Code Challenge. If these fine folks can deploy an S3 bucket in 3 minutes, then they will win a dinner to the best Tex-Mex restaurant in all of the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area. 3 minutes on the clock. Go ahead. Oh, challenging. So difficult.
It seems like this is very easy to do.
So, I'm sorry. What was that? Can you say that again?
I said it seems like this is really easy to do.
Oh wow! Holy moly!
It was like what, 2 button clicks to deploy
Oh my gosh!
an S3 bucket.
Oh my god! What's happening? We're with Krista.
Hey!
For the people that aren't here, why should they come to the next DevOps Days DFW?
Because they're totally missing out. That's why. There's a whole bunch of really cool talk tracks. There's always good speakers. You can learn some new stuff.
Why should you care? Why is this important? It's all about being lazy. That's what I like to do. I will go absolutely out of my way today to be lazy tomorrow and the next day.
What I see over and over and over again is all these investments in DevOps and developer productivity and operational efficiency are bottlenecking in these environments on security and compliance.
And that's a wrap for DevOps Days DFW. Thank you so much to all of the organizers and volunteers who made this such a successful special event. Up next, we have DevOps Days Chicago. Stick around for the next iteration and see how we're going to make the Infrastructure as Code Challenge bigger and better. Until next time, K-Mac out.